Today we'll be discussing about the meaning of office and importance of office. First of all, we need to know what is office. It is a place where the business is carried on, and we can also say that it is a place where clerical operations are carried on, and it includes the normally we mean that if we refer to the word office, we mean that some business activity, some accountability and its functions, and some clerical activities is going on. It can be defined as a place where the information on paper converges and is documented, preserved and used for current and future operations of a business. We'll be maintaining the data. And the importance. So we need an office. We may say that it's a part of an organization, and here in the enterprise we need the operations to be planned. Planning is followed by the execution, and the process of management requires the control, communication and coordination. And besides this, some transactions of enterprise is also dealt with the orders, payment, etc. And the importance of this office arises due to these factors. That is, first, it acts as information center. All kind of informations, present information, past information, everything will be available in the office. In case of any request, we can approach the office and we can get any information. And the next one is the office serves as a channel communication. It is, there will be a proper channel through which the communication is maybe in a form of a written communication or a oral communication, from top to bottom, from bottom to top. So this office acts as a channel for this communication, for exchange of information or clarification that can be done through the office. And the next one is aids in a coordination. Here the coordination is almost impossible without the presence of this office. Office provides informations and knowledge for the coordination. And the next one is the importance in relation to the government and the general public. Today, a business organization is recognized as a social institution. Office acts as a link between the government department and the organization. Office is a link between the general public and also the organization. It is responsible for creating the proper image for the organization. So it is responsible for building the healthy relationship between the humans. And the next one is aids in the managerial control. That is, here the control that requires control is most important. The correction, the performance is to be measured, the performance of subordinates to be measured, and the plans can be accomplished. And the control is a necessary function of a management. Controlling is required more. This controlling requires establishment of standards, measurement of performance against the standard, and the correction of deviation from the plans. And the next one is importance in relation to the customers. It is the relation to customer is great significance. This office acts as a channel that links the organization and the customer. Orders and complaints can be taken by the office. So it is office is more important for a contact with the customers. And the next one is importance of shareholders. This office also serves as a link between the shareholder and the company. issues of certificates, share transfer, dividend warrants. So for these inquiries, the importance, without the office it cannot be performed. So office is more important for maintaining the shareholder relationships and importance of a worker. Effective human relations. For effective relation, we need a effective organization. We prepare wages, salaries, and it's also responsible for operating benefits for employees, pension, for example, pension, provident funds. Without the existence of office, the organization will face a difficulty. So these are all some of the importance of a office.